Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're playing Animal Rivals with Kyle and his friend. I'm about to be joining them right now. Yo, it doesn't say you're online. Oh wait, I'm really. Oh,
Yeah, he's a YouTuber. I'm waiting for it. There he is. Slow fell. He's so slow. I'm sorry, Luca. So slow. Get on, bro. Kohler, can you please get off? Because I'm trying to play with my friends.
Yo, get off.
Hey, Apex Man, Apex Man.
Oh yeah, I'm buying you.
6-7.
But your friend needs to hurry up.
I'm better than you. What do you mean? You're the one who needs to hurry up.
Well, he needs to hurry up right now before you. Okay.
You took like 9 hours to join in the first place. Yo, get on. Come here, bro. God, you're so slow. You're so slow. I'm in.
No, you're not.
No, bro. He's not in. He's not in. You're not even in, bro. You're not in. You're not in. Let's go.
Yo, Kyle, is your friend good?
What map are we gonna do?
Some Apex makers are bums.
Are you sure? Yes, do this.
Oh yeah, you said. Bro, who left? Why? What? Do you want me to join you? Okay.
Tomatoes. I'm going fishing.
Okay, join me.
Oh, okay.
Let me. Lose it, guys, lose it.
Got you.
Oh, shoot, okay.
Yeah.
No way. Oh, orange shit. Where's orange? I'm scared. Where'd he go? Play orange, you better
But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm up. Let me join you.
I want to go over there. I got like a black screen and it kicked me out. I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Why is your friend's mic off?
I don't know. Why would I know?
Does it look like you know?
Never mind. Bingo.
I swear if that other player isn't on in.
But we got this, bro. Don't we? We got this, bro. That's lightweight for us.
I'm on, let's go. I haven't played this game in so well. I played it a while ago, but
That's so cap. You played
I know.
like yesterday. You're still pretty right.
Bro, I need to do more daily quests so I can get shurikens and not have shotgun ammo up.
66 on crossbow piece.
Why am I even?
What is that? Yo, water. I got triple 10.
A guy rushed us from behind.
Round starting.
I suck.
74.
This video is just a whole bunch of gameplay of a bad player.
Four.
74.
I'm 4.
60.
I'm. Oh my god.
No, it's fine.
How did you not kill him?
How much health did he have
Round
left?
starting.
I hit him 60. I hit 110.
Out there, pay attention, bro.
I killed one.
How is he not dead?
There's one guy over here. I didn't hit him at all. I'm dead. I headshot one. I don't know how much health he has left. Oh. Kyle, what gun are you using?
You need to lock in, not gonna lie, you.
Round starting.
He's not lying.
I'm not even. Wow.
$39.
No, he needs to. He's literally at the bottom of the leaderboard.
I hit 74 and 8. Oh my god. This absolute crossbow spammer.
No, teammate, don't steal my kill, don't steal my kill. I just steal my kill.
Your loadout sucks, bro.
But I'm being double teamed.
Does your friend know how to play this game?
You're below me in the leaderboard.
No, funny. I just got that good aim like that, bro.
What do you mean? I got triple team. What am I supposed to do that?
Oh,
I'm at the top of the leaderboard.
Round starting.
no, you're not, bro. You're not.
Yeah, I am. No, I am. Look at the leaderboard then. Look at the
No, you're
leaderboard then.
not, bro. No, you're not.
Look at the leaderboard.
He is not on the top of the leaderboard. Okay, then you call. Headshot all three of them. 40. Okay, bro, exactly. You're not on the top of the
Just 'cause I get one shot all three of them. You get the worst. You literally get the worst. Why are you talking? Look at the leaderboard.
Rematch. You are not at the top of the leaderboard. Rematch.
Then look at the leaderboard.
No, bro, like not the.
No, but I was though. Your friend kept saying I went back when he was literally at the bottom of the leaderboard.
Jumbo Kiwi. Come play with us.
Okay. I'm gonna join you.
Teammate, what are you doing? Teammate, right here. Teammate, what are you doing right here? Is this that?
What? Wait, what's the new bundle? I haven't looked at it yet.
Oh, yeah, I completed my
What
class.
does this mean? I have to win a Rivals Royale.
Yeah, but I don't pay attention.
Bum, 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 bum. Guys, I just lost to a bad.
Well, I'm not looking for it.
I'm 2 ranks away from Apex.
I wear glasses.
I'm 4 ranks away from Apex.
Glasses are better.
That's a lie.
But we carry so much away. We probably have 0
Because I'm not looking for it.
And I'm like, partially blind.
So, what do we need a sniper?
I'm good.
Where's your friend?
good, but not good enough to be an Apex. I can barely even beat an Apex. But I've almost beaten every Blasting 2 once.
You can't beat me. You can't beat me. Stop lying.
I've beaten every Blasting 4. I almost
Do you want to
have
do one?
beaten
Oh my god. Okay.
Yo, chill out!
I just joined you. And I was. Oh, damn.
Holy cow. Holy cow, son.
And you're 100% sure you're in this match? In the match? In this
It says playing with you.
Speeding
Where's
Luga?
Luga's not popping up.
Sounded more like a murder.
Oh,
Who is playing?
Oh, it's 2v2.
Hey, do you want to do it on TV?
You're blind, but you're deaf too.
No, I was looking for him.
And I just know.
I can hear better
I've done
than
that
you
map
can.
for like the past 5 rounds. Anything but
Yeah,
the
I
map I've done
can.
for like the past 5 rounds.
Anything but trenches or big arena, please. Really, you really do need them goggles. I wish you had those in real life.
Match starting.
So you could see them.
How would these sniper goggles let you see better?
Round starting.
Cause they like. I hit one.
They probably would, like if they were sniper goggles in real life. But the way they're designed,
I love both of you. You cannot hit my head.
the way the sniper goggles are designed in the game, it doesn't look like it make your vision better. But like in real life, they do.
Round starting.
Well, I mean,
I hit one of them like 100.
I had shot one.
That was not hacking, but like, these kids are bad. These kids are so bad.
Round starting.
81.
I missed.
You died.
I got double teams.
Kill him, teammate. Just kill this kid.
Another kid?
I can't. Kill him.
I mean, all that happened was I was in the air. I got crushed with the snipes.
Low key lock in.
Holy double teamers! Holy double teamers! What do you mean what? Y'all are double teaming.
Round starting.
I hit 198.
95 on one of
Dead.
them.
Bruh. Bro's fighting you, immediately turns to me and headshots me.
Round starting.
Apple by nobody sound.
I hit 174. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
74, dead.
Okay, he's targeting me and he still got popped. It's sad. These kids are so bad.
Round starting.
I hit 146. Oh, dang. Bro got fully disconnected.
Behind you, behind you.
Dead.
Just kill him.
Oh my. What? Bro. I'm not even trying at this.
He really said he's not even trying. That's an excuse.
Yeah, get online.
Get a real life for yourself.
Get on!
I'm not paid to win. I'm not paid to win.
Well, no one wants to branch from picking branch.
Yeah. Yo.
You always pick the
Match
worst match.
starting.
This is why I don't like you.
I would
Round starting.
I would have rather pick anything other than Branch Arena.
Christian Ripley don't pick trash maps like you do. They don't do it. These dudes really. Oh my god, bro. Man. Oh my god, bro.
Bro, you died too. I
Round
killed
starting.
him.
You would. Pick trash map or get $1 million. Pick trash map. That's what you do.
No, I pick $1 million so I can get a whole bunch of bundles. Like what?
Oh my god. No, you would pick the trash map.
No, I picked $1 million. What are you talking about?
Round
That's not
starting.
how your IQ works, bro. You have 4 IQ, bro.
Okay.
There's no way this kid's using DMR, bro. DMR is the worst gun in the game. Just stop using it and it'll help you, bro. Just because because he got a cool skin doesn't mean you use DMR, bro. It's so trash.
You sniper, that's better than DMR.
He's probably
Round
only
starting.
using it because of the bundle gave him a cool skin.
I do. So what?
I hit one 179. I think it was the boy guy. 179. Bundle man 179. The bundle guy.
Boots?
The bundle guy has 11 HP, bro.
Yeah. Team. Walk in.
Round starting.
Really mad that it's not really mad.
Would be better if you didn't pick this dog water map. Oh my god, bro.
What happened to our teammate?
Why did you pick this map?
Round starting.
God.
It would have been better than Break Arena. Yo, nah, we am here learning. I headshot this guy straight in the dome, and it did 74 damage.
My team
Yeah,
was one tap.
yeah.
You actually suck.
If you would have picked a
Yeah.
better map, this wouldn't happen.
My team was dead one tap.
God.
Pick Big Arena.
You couldn't shoot my teammate
You
one
didn't,
time.
you didn't even pick Big
Yo, I
Arena.
am
You
actually
picked
surprised I
freaking
won
back
that, bro.
row. Cause you're so
We would
weak.
have lost more if we would have went in
I
Break
was gonna win
Arena.
that, bro. I did not know I was gonna win that.
That low key easy. These kids are easy to beat, bro. No challenge.
I bet. Nah, let's walk in.
I'll get out here, bro.
Alright.
Well, I'm gonna end the video there, guys.
I
Bye.
lost to a